Hey guys, I hope you're doing good. So today I'm going to unbox the Apple MacBook Pro 2018.
I'm not really concerned. I'm worried. Because if you drop dead, I'm the motherfucker they come looking for.
You say you got a sexy body. I say you're right. You ask me if I like your body. I say I'm right. So we go.
Nothing in this box. So here is the new MacBook Pro 2018. This is the 13-inch space gray model. It is the touch bar one. This is the MacBook Pro 13-inch space gray, 2.3 GHz, 8GB, 256GB, the touch bar model. Let's unbox this.
Yeah, right. My cousin Danny drives a pink flamingo. I said that shit is divine.
So yeah, during this video there is going to be no littering. I'm gonna throw all the garbage at the proper place. Why I didn't purchase the 2017 model? Because there were news around that the 2017 MacBook Pro has some issues with the second generation butterfly keyboards. So this time Apple has put a silicon layer underneath the keyboard. So this time they are saying that they have fixed it, but they are not admitting it openly. So to be on the safer side, I thought I'll be going with the 2018 one, and also this is the quad core. So this will really help in the future when I'll be editing 4K videos. So basically I have purchased this to edit my videos, and that was the main reason that why I purchased this particular laptop. So 1, 2, 3. Let's see what is in the box. If we really get a MacBook Pro or something else. Cool, just Simpson. Wow, how did it? Oh. So this is how the MacBook Pro greets you. The silver was not available, and I wanted to purchase the space gray, so luckily I got the color that I wanted to buy. So I'll keep the laptop aside for a while. You get the charging cable along with some documentation, and here is the charger plug, and this is the charging adapter. So with this you can also charge your iPhone 8 Plus. I think this is the 61 watt, so you can fast charge your iPhone 8 Plus with this particular bit. They have not included any lightning to USB-C type port, because yeah, this has 4 Thunderbolt USB-C type ports. They have not included any cable for lightning to USB-C. If that would have been there, it would have been really helpful to transfer your videos from your iPhone and from data from your iPhone to your laptop. Yeah, you can airdrop most of the things, but that would have been really easy. I'm pretty happy to make this purchase. For a very long time I wanted to buy a MacBook, so finally I squared down to the 2018 13-inch. 13-inch, why 13-inch? Because yeah, I wanted to buy the 2017, but because it has some issues with the keyboard, so I thought the 2017 would be much much light on the pocket, but this was a little bit heavy. Also, the 2018 has quad core, so it is future proof. Like editing 4K videos will be a bliss on this one. Along with that, the starting model of the 2017 one comes with 128 GB of hard disk, but this one comes with 256 GB. I wanted Apple to release a 2018 MacBook Pro 13-inch without touch bar. If that would have been there, I would definitely have purchased that, because it would have been much lighter on the pocket, and also I'm not very fond of the touch bar. So this is the first time I have purchased a MacBook. I'll be giving my first impressions on this product. So yeah, let me open this one. So the moment you you open it, it starts booting. So the moment you open it, it starts booting. So yeah, I'll see you guys after the setup. I'm shooting this video after 4 days because I wanted to get a gist of it, and so that I can give you a proper quick review and impression of this MacBook Pro 2018. So let's start with the specs. So this is MacBook Pro 2018 Space Gray with touch bar, integrated Touch ID sensor. It has Retina display with True Tone technology and 500 nits brightness. It has 2.3 GHz quad-core Intel Core i5, which has turbo boost up to 3.8 GHz. Also, it has 256 GB of SSD. It has 8 GB of RAM. The 2017 MacBook Pro has an issue with its keyboard. If any dust particles gets inside the keyboard, it gets stuck and the keyboard stops working. With 2018, Apple introduced a silicon membrane in between the keyboard so that they can remove this issue. So that is one major reason that I went for the 2018 one rather than the 2017 one. This laptop has stereo speakers and the sound is just phenomenal out of them.
Good to see you, buddy.
Bro, this looks actually so sick.
Doesn't it look sick?
Yeah. No, this looks good.
Yeah.
This looks epic.
This looks great.
Bro, look at the mood. You ready?
So in the last 4 days, I have edited 2 of my videos and the performance is superb. It does get heated up a little bit because the quad core starts working while rendering the video. So far the performance has been phenomenal. So with my previous HP laptop, it used to take me almost around 27 to half an hour to render a video of 1 gigabyte, like a 1 GB video. It used to take almost 30 minutes to render, whereas on this laptop it only takes somewhere around 10 to 13 minutes to render 1 GB video. I also want to say something about the trackpad as well. This time the trackpad is massive, and I feel this really helps in situations where I do not have mouse and I am editing my video. So the long travel really helps to drag and drop files here and there. Also, this is glass, and the click feel is a vibration motor which they have put underneath the trackpad. So I really like it. I've been using the Windows mouse that they have given on the laptop. It is not that good, to be honest, but this one is just far better compared to the Windows. Also, I wanted to say about the touch bar. The touch bar adapts to the software that you are using on the laptop. It changes on the basis of what you're doing on the laptop, so that is really handy. Whenever you're watching a video, you can just increase the volume or decrease the volume, and it also acts as the conventional F1, F2 keys also, but the way it adapts to the thing that you're doing is really good. So everything boils down to for whom this laptop is exactly for. Let me be very honest over here. This laptop is not for an average consumer. If you want to surf internet, watch movies or create a presentation, you will be good with the new MacBook Air which Apple has recently launched. Also with the old MacBook Air as well, or the 2017 MacBook Pro if you want a little bit more power from your laptop. This particular laptop, the 2018 MacBook Pro, I feel is purely for professionals who are developer, a programmer or a content creator, or somebody who makes music or edits his photos, where people are doing professional work so that they want their time to be saved, and also they want things to be faster on their particular laptop. So if someone who is an average consumer, I think with the new MacBook Air he will be really good, because Apple has upgraded the MacBook Air with the Retina display and the processor. The retailing price of the MacBook Air is 1,14,900 as per the Apple India website. Also you can go for the older MacBook Air, that is somewhere around 84,900. If you want to go for the 2017 MacBook Pro, that is at 1,19,900. All these are 128 GB, not the 256 GB. So I really feel that this particular laptop is not for an average consumer. Also, I purchased few accessories along with this particular laptop. This particular dongle, this is a USB type C. This is Amazon Basics, so I purchased it somewhere around 600 bucks off Amazon. Also this particular film on the keyboard. So this sticks really nice to the keyboard and it doesn't move at all. So it is a really nice. I purchased it of 500 rupees. I'll put the link in the description box as well. Also, I purchased this bag which I'm gonna unbox now. So this is a grey color laptop bag for 13-inch MacBook Pro that I bought off Amazon for 1000 bucks. So it has a main zipper. We can keep the laptop. This is very soft from the inside, so I think this will help from scratching and all. It has other pockets as well, like this one, where you can keep your stuff. And this is the handle which they have given to hold this particular laptop bag. This is nice at 1000 rupees. So this is the bag which I have purchased. So these are the few accessories that I have purchased along with the MacBook. So this was my quick review and first impressions about the Apple MacBook Pro 2018. If you have any questions, put it in the comment box below and I'll answer them. If you really like this video, go bonkers on that red subscribe button. Do subscribe to the channel. Like the video if you have liked it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.